trucks, garbage trucks.
Shall you use your rock star voices and yell, "Come back, Barker," so loud that he hears you all the way in Harmonytown?
You know, that was awesome teamwork. And teamwork sounds to me like a powerful word. In a guitar, you need power chords sometimes, and they sound like this. That's called a power chord. Sometimes in your vocabulary, you need power words. Power word number 1 is teamwork. 5,557 B's! 5,557 Please!
I better get back to making sure Harmonytown is safe.
And Firefighter Natalie, the song is about courage. Firefighter, firefighter, naturally! Fighting fires, naturally! Later, Bruiser. So Bruiser and Mike the Mailman, they have something in common. It's called perseverance. Wait a minute. That could be power word number 3. Power word number 3. Perseverance. That is a powerful word. I get back up and I start to climb. Get ready to say like Mike and I start to climb. Like Mike and I start to climb. Like Mike and I start to climb. You can be anything in this entire world that you want to be. If you can dream it, you can do it. So don't ever give up on your dreams. And if there's challenges and setbacks along the way, you're going to have a bouncy heart.
Maybe you have a setback or even fail at something and your heart feels sad. Think to yourself, I'm going to have a bouncy brain and I'm going to have a bouncy heart. Then bounce back. Roar.
That roar made me think of power word number 4. Power word number 4 is resilience. Can you all say resilience? Resilience!
What can I say? You know I love rocking out. Later, kids!
What I love about Lizzie is she has confidence. And I think we have arrived at power word 3, 4. Power word number 5! Authenticity. Everyone say authenticity. Authenticity. We're always gonna go.